Good morning. This is my final project presentation. My name is Natalia and I hope you enjoy it. These are the points that the project is made up and that we will be explaining in the presentation. Okay, so first we have the product identification. The product name is a disposable camera. They look like the picture. The harmonized code can also be recognized in the slide. These cameras are a product that has been attracting the attention of young people recently due to their low cost compared to a professional camera and the photostyle result that this camera possesses. The exporting country is Belgium. It houses a large Fujifilm headquarters dedicated to producing and commercializing this type of camera. The load is non-perishable. They come in individual boxes provided by the supplier, and for the transportation, it will be used boxes of the dimensions of 40 by 30 by 30. So let's start with the fun part. The data for the stock management is the following. We have an annual demand of 150,000 units, which have a cost of holding of 4.4 cents per unit, and a cost per order of $700. On the other hand, a lead time of 19 days, a service level of 92%, an average of 411 in the daily demand, and a safety stock of 729 units. All of this leads us to say that we will order 22,913 units every time our stock reaches 2,983 units. For the palletization side, we will need 2 containers, 1 FCL and 1 LCL. Each box of 40 by 30 by 30 is filled with 11 units for a total of 1,083 boxes. So the first container would carry a full load of 1,400 boxes, 600 on the first floor and 800 on the second floor. The second container would carry 600 boxes on the first floor and 83 in the second floor, with a total of 638 boxes and 28 pallets. Before continuing with the Incoterms, we established that the tariff rate is 0%, thanks to a commercial agreement between Colombia and Belgium. And the VAT will be 19% according to the DIAN, as you can see in the slide. Next, the exporting country, as we said before, is Belgium. And here you can see the 3 routes needed. The first one is from Zaventem to Port of Antwerpen in Belgium. Then it's the international freight from the Port of Antwerpen to Cartagena, to the Port of Cartagena. And finally, the national transportation in Colombia from Cartagena to Bogota. We go now with the Incoterms. Here you can see every item in the Incoterms well specified. It is necessary to specify too that the national transportation and the international freight and the warehousing cost are provided by the sea rates page. So here we have the Ex-Works with the cost of the products and the packaging. Next is a free carrier with loading to the truck, a national transportation at the origin, the insurance, the warehouse, and the customs intermediary. Then we have the VAS and the VOB. The VOB is the Incoterm that has been chosen for this project and for all of the process. Next, we have CFR and CIF with the international freight and the insurance. In each one, here we got the DAP, and finally the DPU and the DTP. In the DTP, we can see the taxes, the values of the taxes that we already discussed earlier. And finally, we have the supply chain strategy for this project, that is the efficiency strategy, where the price is the main competitive advantage because the main goal of Fujifilm at developing this product so many years ago was to create a camera that was easy to use as possible and could be purchased anytime and anywhere. In this sense, this project seeks to give people the same accessibility to photography at a lower cost and easily when importing this product. The supply chain activities start from the suppliers, which in this case is Fujifilm in Belgium. The international logistics process is composed of both national and international transport, the warehousing processes, and the early process of stock and inventory that we develop. And the distribution of the product would be the end of the supply chain process. And thank you so much.